Welcome back, Modified Crew. I'm your quarantine survivor, Mark Herman, and today we are going to modify our $2,200 FRS Rebuild. I got a front lip here, direct from China. All right, so we're going to go and throw this on the car. I'm going to let you know how I feel about it and how easy it is to install, quality, fitment, all that. Let's go and get started right now. All right, guys, here's the packaging it came in. Literally, I get it delivered like this. So obviously packaging, that's a fail. We'll see if it's mangled or anything like that. So on a plus note, it actually came with 3M foam tape for the install. Actually, I take that back. It's not 3M, but it is some sort of foam tape for the install. Oh. I did not think it was going to have the mounting screws, but it also came with the mounting screws. So that's cool. All right, so it comes with mounting clips and mounting screws, which is awesome. It comes with everything you need to do the install. Currently, I have not opted to paint this because when you're painting polyurethane, especially a lip that is this low on the car, it's gonna get banged up anyways, so I just don't see the point unless I throw it on there and it just doesn't go very well. So there are some flaws to the car, to this lip, but overall, I can't complain. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's go and see. All right, see that kind of indent type deal? There's that on there. That's like a cut mark or something. But most of the imperfections, I gotta say, are actually where it's gonna be mounted underneath the bumper. Those are the kind of like the points where it was like injected. Yeah, and then a seam right there. If I wanted to clean that up, I could kind of sand that down and whatnot, but honestly, I'm not even gonna see it. So let's go and get this mounted and see how the fitment is. But overall, the quality is, it's actually, I feel pretty happy about it considering what I paid. So let's get this on the car and hopefully it looks great. Oh yeah, guys, this looks good. I'm super happy with the way this is gonna look. Sweet, I can't wait to get this on the car. I'm gonna wipe down both sides and then use the 3M tape to adhere the front lip on. That way we don't have any gapping or anything like that. And then I'm gonna screw it on, which makes it more permanent. I just figure this will be easier than trying to screw it on first. So yeah, let's do that now. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is try to clean the underside of this. I mean, that's where it really gets all dirty and everything like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and stick this on. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. The 3M tape that came with it is just utter junk. Well, the replica 3M tape. It's not really 3M, but anyways, it's junk. I just want to let you guys know. Let's go ahead and screw the bumper in with what we have. All right, so the kit came with 4 clips and 18 screws. So let's go ahead and install those now. Guys, this is really easy to install. I actually have an adapter which works great. I have a drill, and with the screwdriver it might be a pain in the butt. It's probably doable, but with this drill and drill adapter, it makes it super easy. You just shove the screw in, drill it in, make sure you don't go too tight so you don't strip it out, and that's pretty much it. The holes are already piloted out for you on the lip, and that's it. I mean, it's super straightforward and easy install. There's not much to it. Let's go and install a couple of these, the final last few. All right, that's it, guys. She's installed, super easy. Didn't even take me that long. Let's go and check it out. All right, guys, to be honest, I do not remember what I paid for this spoiler. All I know, well, no, for this lip. All I know is I picked the one that looked good based upon my taste and the cheapest one on the internet, on eBay. As far as the quality of the product, happy. Fitment, good. I mean, the cool thing about polyurethane is you can, like, you know, manipulate it a little bit, your bang for your buck is out is out of this world. I mean, I'm super happy with the way it looks. It makes the car look more aggressive, lower to the ground. It kind of makes it look a little bit wider at the bottom as well. So the ground effects just look great. It makes the car look lower when it's really not, which is great. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna scrape a little bit more because the lip sticks out more, but I'm super happy with the way this turned out. I love the color. I'm not even gonna paint it. I'm just gonna run it the way it is. I have some other big packages in my house. I can't wait to install them. This is one of many parts, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so. If you like this kind of content, I'll keep it coming. If you have any questions on where I got it, what it is, feel free to let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.